Hello fam, welcome back to another video here in the channel. Today if you follow my socials, you know that it was my birthday this week, so yes, my born day. I actually have born in 30th of April, so it was 2 days ago. Uh, and I'm really blessed. I'm a blessed guy. I'm happy that I've turned 31. So if you are 30, you know the struggle, right? For us, I don't know, right? Yeah, I think we feel our generation just like feels like we are babies, right? Maybe 31 feels like 21. I can't really explain, but with added responsibility. Anyway, let's get to the business, right? My wife actually gifted me two pairs of sneakers. Actually, she gifted me three pair of sneakers, but one of them hasn't really arrived. I will show you after. And these are the two that actually she got to me. Let me see if I can grab him with one hand. So yeah, she basically gifted me these shoes. I think you some of them probably already know which ones they are about the box. Anyway, guys, I want to show you guys the details of the box and basically what she actually got me. So let's unbox these shoes and let me show you exactly what they are, yeah? Well, guys, for the first pair, actually, this is, a collaboration between Nike and Pata. So, probably already know what shoe is this. I mean, this is one drop that I think this dropped like 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken, 1 or 2 months ago. I actually had exclusive access to these ones, but I had others in my mind, so I actually didn't cop them, even though they are reselling for a pretty decent price. So again, this is the box, guys. It says Pata, familiar, love for air and all of that stuff. Really beautiful box. On the side, you can see the sizing, all of this. It says Lobby Libby. Apologies, I don't know what that means really. I don't really know. And of course, it says Pata in orange right here, right? So Pata is from the Netherlands, and I've actually visited the Netherlands not too long ago. It was this Christmas, and I really enjoyed it. To be honest, I really enjoyed. Yes, I didn't do any of that stuff because I'm a dad now, and I really can't do that stuff. But again, it was really nice. So let's take actually the shoe out of the box. So the shoe, let me just put it here actually. So this shoe actually comes, with this right here. I don't know if you can see. Let me just, the camera is a little bit away. I'm trying something new, but this is the bracelet. Okay, so some of you guys, there are two versions of the shoe. Basically, the one with the bracelet and the one without the bracelet. I think the bracelet is really nice, but I still need to put them in the shoes really. It basically has, you know, not sure if you will be able to see, but let me try. But it is basically this, right? You have this, it says Sparta. Let me go straight to the camera. It says Sparta. You have the Nike swoosh and all of that stuff. I mean, it's cool. It's cool. It's a cool detail, really. I like it. Not gonna lie. So let me just put it in the little pocket that it comes. Now, in terms of these shoes, guys, let me actually pick up the shoes. So it comes with this paper, like with dragons and all of that stuff. Okay, this is the paper it actually comes. I mean, it's nice. It's a nice detail. I don't really care about the paper, but anyway, it's a nice detail. Opening the shoe, right? We have this beautiful Nike Air Max right here, guys. Okay, this shoe is just really beautiful, guys. Come on, I love this shoe. And there's one thing about this shoe that actually I didn't really copy it because I was wondering on other stuff. But if I have to be honest, I really love what Pata did with this shoe and Nike. So I don't like the version where you have the orange here. I don't like them. I did a really hard pass on those. I don't like them. I don't think it was a really nice achieved colorway. But this one, guys, you got everything I like. So basically you have the waves, of course, in white. Okay, as you can see. You have the little swoosh right there on the front, as usual from Pata. And there's two details that I love about this shoe. The first detail is actually the bright orange swoosh. So I really like the bright orange swoosh, guys. And the bright orange details across all of the shoe. On the sole, okay, I think it looks really nice. And I love one detail about this shoe, which is the cream laces. Hopefully you can see. Okay, so the cream laces really give it a nice touch right there, and the cream bottoms. So I mean, let me just grab the other shoe. Yeah, and let me put this box to the side. Okay, let me put it on the ground actually. So again, this shoe, guys, it's really, really nice. Come on, just look at this. It's amazing. I think the work between the cream and the bright orange really made this pop, you know. I really, really like this shoe. And then I'm not a huge Nike Air Max, especially these ones. I think these are the 90s, 90s or ones. I mean, I just got completely erased in my memory. But anyway, I love this shoe, guys. This is basically probably the only path that I like. Of course, I like the blue ones, the orange ones, but these ones, I think they are really, really well achieved. I'm not gonna lie. So, I'm pretty sure that I will rock this a lot this summer. I'm not gonna lie, I will. Soles, okay, and again, the cream laces, it just does it for me, right? These cream laces are amazing. Yeah, guys, so this is actually the second pair right here. So for the box, maybe you still don't know what exactly is, because there are plenty of black boxes and Nike shoes. So let's open it first. So opening up, again, simple lid, nothing crazy. Let me put it on the ground. Now you can see the paper. Maybe we'll get a hint of what exactly is this shoe. I think you are already getting what this shoe is, right? Now let's take out the paper, and here it is, guys. The big step up. Come on. This collab is just amazing, guys. Amazing. I don't even know, right? Come on. I don't even know how this shoe is at the price point that it actually is. I mean, it's crazy if you think about it, right? This shoe is reselling for little over like 30 to 40 euros above retail, which is crazy. This is a collab between Fragment, Nike, and Union. So come on, it's crazy to think about this, right? If you come from, from the late days, you do know that, anything with Fragment on it or Union, that would really skyrocket in price. I mean, I don't care. I'm fine with this, right? I love being able to get my shoes in a decent price and not pay huge amounts. I mean, come on. But again, just take a little nice look at this shoe, guys. Come on, what a beautiful sneaker. All the details, guys. Come on, this shoe is just amazing. Let's see the soles. I mean, the blue really pops it. Again, guys, this shoe, I love this shoe. There's just nothing that, and the detail of the yellow lines, like, hopefully you can see a little bit dark, but again, guys, this shoe, it's amazing. Of course, you get the standard laces. You have actually standard Union laces, which I really don't know exactly what laces I will put in, but maybe they will be the typical Union laces. Now, you also get a pair of red laces, red and black, which are nice, but I don't really think it makes sense with this shoe. That's just my opinion, okay? But anyway, guys, and you also get another pair, which I think is white ones, no, black ones, full black ones. I will actually rock the white ones because I do feel that it's the best match, really. So guys, this is pretty much it. I will do a in-depth review of each of these sneakers and a non-fit as well in a separate video. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace!